Hey everyone, in this video series I'm gonna show you how we can use Firebase in Android apps. So Firebase is a platform that is developed by Google for creating mobiles and web applications. So first thing, you need to go to this website firebase.google.com. Firebase is a product from Google and it has actually like different types of products. Then if you go below, then you can see that we have like different types of products. One is for build, it's called Cloud Firestore. Then we have authentication. Then if you click on this view all build products, so these are like categories of products. For build, we have one is called real-time database, one is called remote config, similarly ML, authentication, cloud messaging, like that, hosting, cloud storage. There are like lots of different products. And the second category, it's for releasing and monitoring your apps. And if I click here, then you can see that we have Google Analytics, so you can analyze like how many users are using your app like this. And it also has like different functionalities. We have remote config, performance monitoring, you can monitor the performance of your apps. Test lab, you can test your APK before deploying to other people's app distribution, so you can like distribute your pre-release versions to other testers. So like there are like different types of categories and like different types of features that's provided by Firebase. And the third one is engage. So if I click here, then you can see that Google Analytics also it's a part of this engage. And predictions, A/B testing, like you can like run some experiments based on different type of testings. Like we have cloud messaging, you can send push notification using Firebase. You have crash analytics, so you can monitor all the crashes and errors. Similarly, you have dynamic links, in-app messages. There are like lots of different products. So these are products that those are available for Firebase. The first thing you need to do, you need to log into this Firebase. So click here, sign in. Then it will show you to log in using your Google account. If you already have one account logged in your browser, then it will show you to select from your account. So if you have any Google account, then you can use it. So I'm gonna log in now. I logged into my account. Now if I click on this, go to console, then you can see that we can create one project here. So just click on this project, click create a project, my first Firebase project. I need to accept the terms, continue. You can also disable it, but it's recommended to enable it because we don't get these features if we disable this one. So it's free, so I'm just enabling it. Then click on this continue, and at this location you can give any location you want. So for now, let's keep it as United States. Accept Google Analytics terms. So basically Google Analytics is a different product and Firebase will connect to it Google Analytics internally. So basically all the data, all the analytics data we can see in the Firebase, we can also see in a Google Analytics project. So click on this create project and it's creating our project now. Okay, the project is ready, and now I need to click on this continue, so it will move to the dashboard. So here you can see that we have all these features that we have seen just before. So for build, we have crash analytics, performance, test lab, and similarly analytics, similarly engage. And yeah, so if you click on anywhere, like if you click on this dashboard, so we have not integrated it yet, so we need to integrate this in our Android or iOS or web apps. Then it will start showing data. So that's all for this video. So from next video we'll start exploring all these features one by one. Like I'll show you how we can integrate it and how this data will get populated here. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, and if you have any question, please drop one comment below. Thanks. Bye.